Hello everybody. So let's start with our new topic, that is subject and predicate. First of all, we should know what is a subject and what is a predicate. Every sentence consists of two parts, out of which one is subject and the other is predicate. हर सेंटेंस के दो पार्ट्स होते हैं. There are two parts of every sentence. Out of these two parts, one is the subject and the other one is predicate. For example, Ashoka was a great ruler. This is the sentence. Here we can say that the sentence has two parts. One part is dealing with the word Ashoka and the second part is dealing with the words was a great ruler. So in this sentence there are two parts. Out of these two parts, one is subject and the other one is predicate. In this sentence Ashoka is the subject and was a great ruler is predicate. तो हर सेंटेंस के दो पार्ट्स होते हैं. उन दोनों पार्ट्स में से एक सेंटेंस जो होता है, एक पार्ट जो होता है वो होता है सब्जेक्ट और जो दूसरा पार्ट होता है उसको हम कहते हैं प्रेडिकेट. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट इज सब्जेक्ट. The person or thing we speak about in the sentence or the doer of the action is called subject. Subject क्या होता है? जिसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं. किसी सेंटेंस में जिसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं या जो काम उस सेंटेंस में हो रहा है, the action which is happening in that particular sentence and the person who is doing that action is called subject. तो जिसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं या जो काम हो रहा है उस काम को जो करने वाला है, that is called the subject. For example, right now we have discussed a sentence, Ashoka was a great ruler. Who was a great ruler? Ashoka. तो हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? अशोका की. That's why Ashoka becomes the subject. The subject may be a group or group of words. अब जैसे हमने बोला Ashoka, here we have only one word as the subject, but if we say Emperor Ashoka or the King Ashoka, here we have a group of words. तो subject may be a group or group of words. Subject जो होता है वो एक word का भी हो सकता है, एक से ज़्यादा words का भी हो सकता है. Sometimes in imperative sentences the subject is left out. अब जो imperative sentences होते हैं, usually the subject is not mentioned in those sentences. उनमें subject mention नहीं होता. Why? Because there basically the subject is understood. Here the speaker is giving the command, order or requesting to the listener. That is why the subject is basically understood there. So in such sort of sentences usually the subject is left out. So the person or thing we talk about in the sentence or the doer of the action is called subject. Subject may be a group or group of words. Now let's see what is predicate. Whatever is spoken about the subject is called predicate. Predicate क्या होता है? Now we have said Ashoka was a great ruler. Who was the great ruler? Ashoka. Ashoka was the great ruler. So Ashoka becomes the subject because we are talking about Ashoka. What are we talking about Ashoka? Ashoka के बारे में हम कह क्या रहे हैं? We are saying that he was a great ruler. Was a great ruler. तो हमने subject के बारे में जो भी बात की है, that is called predicate. Predicate may also be a group or group of words. But you need to remember here the word group is missing. The predicate may also be a group or group of words. Here you need to remember one thing. अगर predicate में सिर्फ एक ही word होगा, that word will only be the verb. अगर predicate में सिर्फ एक ही word है तो वो word verb ही होगा. And if it is a group of words, then there can be verb plus object or adverb, anything could be there. But if there is only one word, that is the verb only. Predicate usually starts with a verb in a sentence. एक sentence में predicate जो है वो usually verb से start होता है. अब this verb can be the action verb, but this can be the be verb, have verb, doing verbs, और एक्शन वर्ड्स वी हैव ऑलरेडी सेड। तो जो भी हम सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं वो उसको हम प्रेडिकेट बोलते हैं। प्रेडिकेट यूजुअली स्टार्ट्स विद द वर्ब। वर्ब कैन बी एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ वर्ब, बी वर्ब, हैव वर्ब, डूइंग वर्ब, एक्शन वर्ब, any sort of helping verb, any sort of verb can be there. And predicate may also be a group or group of words. अगर उसमें सिर्फ एक ही word है then that word is the verb only. Let's see some examples of subject and predicate. Subject, birds. Predicate, fly. Here we are talking about birds. What do the birds do? Birds fly. See, here is only one word for predicate and that word is the verb. The black dog. Subject has the group of words. The black dog. What did the black dog do? Bit the poor beggar. So what are we talking about black dog? That he bit the poor beggar. So it becomes a predicate. The boys of your school made Raman the captain. Who made Raman the captain? The boys of your school. What did the boys of your school do? They made Raman the captain. So whatever about whom we are talking in the sentence is the subject, and whatever the subject does is called predicate. Mountains add to the beauty of the country. Here we are talking about mountains. What are we talking about? Mountains. Mountains add to the beauty of the country. So mountains, we are talking about mountains. So mountains become subject and add to the beauty of the country becomes predicate. And here you can see one more thing, that all the predicates are starting from the verbs. So subject, about whom we are talking in the sentence, or whosoever is the doer of the action. Subject may be a group or group of words. On the other hand, whatever we talk about subject is called predicate. Predicate may also be a group or group, may also be a word or a group of words, and if there is only one word, that is only a verb. So I hope subject and predicate would be clear. Thank you.